Good morning and welcome to Sunrise at Sea. If you just tuned in, you are right in time for lifestyle this morning. I am Sandra Cope and at my home. Yes, I'm at my home today and Miss Kira Natoso came to see me. Hi Kira, how are you?
Hi Sandy, how are you?
I'm okay. It's good to have you over.
Good to have you too. It's been great. You know, I've been looking forward to one of your barbecues. Yeah. However, you told me of actually having chapati. You know, having chapati today.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I'm not going to do a barbecue today because
Yeah, I love your barbecues. You know, I love
Yeah.
your barbecues. I know I've always had barbecues elsewhere. But yes, I do love the barbecues.
well, today we are going to do a chapati. Yeah, Kira is going to show me how to make her own version of the chapati, and then I'm going to bring something to the table. Unfortunately, we won't be doing a barbecue today, Kira. I'm going to be doing a chicken stir fry, so we're going to be doing a Rolex. Yes.
Okay. I love meat chicken. I feel like you can never go wrong with chicken.
You can't.
Yeah. Let's get this started.
Okay.
Now, I'm gonna show you how I make my chapati. Yeah? So now here, I have some. I just used some warm water. Yeah. I added some salt to it. Then I usually love adding sugar to my chapati. I don't know.
Really?
Yes.
Sugar?
Yes. And then I put some cooking oil in there to just for extra.
It's soft.
Soft, right?
Yeah.
So make sure you don't use hot water. When you use hot water, like very, very hot, that's why sometimes the dough is
Hard.
hard. Yes.
Are you serious? So you're supposed to use like lukewarm water?
Lukewarm, yes. More to the cold side. Going to the cold side, yes.
Okay.
So for extra flavor, you can literally put anything. Last time Shubham was talking about pumpkin chapati. I've never tried that, but I'm looking forward to that.
So what have you put in
So I
this?
put some, you can see that
The
those are
greens.
onions. Yes, that's green pepper in there.
And onions?
Some onions in there. You can even add some carrot if you have, some
Shredded,
carrot.
yeah.
Yes, you can actually put that. Just play around. If you like being creative, yeah.
Okay. So now you're going to do the whole.
Yeah. So this is our dough.
Oh, that's soft.
Very soft. Do you see that?
Yeah. I feel like squeezing it until it goes
You can
through
do
my
that.
fingers.
Now roll that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Should we have some flour here?
Yeah. We're gonna add some flour.
Okay.
So what I like.
Let me put this here. And okay. Oh, this is fun. It's like those jelly balls. You know those ones you squeeze for stress?
Stress balls, actually.
Yes.
So I usually do this sometimes to be consistent. Just not a lot.
Oops.
I'm trying to be consistent.
Because they're already.
Some dough, just to make sure, because like you see, it's actually a bit sticky. So when you do that,
Let's put this there.
yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Serving of maybe six
Yeah.
to 10 people. So now what I want you to, as you do that for me, yeah, what I tend to do, I know it's not a must actually. Yeah, I'm actually going to just show you with my chapati. But what I love to do with my chapati most times, yeah, I put some extra oil and let it sit.
Okay.
You know?
What does that do?
Usually, what I'm actually going to show you, I feel like it makes the chapati easy to break. You know,
When you're
it comes
eating
off
it.
like it has layers to it.
Oh, that's
You
the
get it?
trick.
Yes, like it comes off like it has layers to it. You have a big rolling.
Rolling pin. I hardly use it, I'm telling you. Okay, I think we need to put more flour.
flour,
Yeah, on the pin itself.
Actually,
Oh, okay. Yeah, I think we need to do that. Hey, I'm learning. I'm learning. The last time I tried to make chapatis,
yeah,
they came out like biscuits. Don't judge. Don't judge.
it's all right. I'm sure so many of us actually. I used to make chapatis like that. They used to come out like biscuits. Excuse the mess.
Let me just clear
So we're
this
going to
up.
be making
I'll show you how my aunt used, how I saw her
You've
do
actually
it.
seen your auntie do this, right?
Yes, but then she folds it differently.
Is it going to be? Let me wait and see.
Patience, patience. Okay, she used to do it like this. So she would just do it till the middle, like that, and then she would do this.
Oh, actually, that works as well. That definitely works as well.
And then she would hold it like that and put it in like this, like that. See? Then she would do
that works as well.
Like that.
I've seen my mom also do that as well. I think that's way easier. Mama,
yeah,
I'm gonna go with that. Now let's light up the fire and then make the chapati.
Okay, you make the shape and I light the fire.
Alright.
Okay. Alrighty.
Sandy. Alright. So now I'm gonna be making
Okay. The fire is ready. Let's do this. Okay.
he can be dicing
So,
by the time people get here,
yeah.
it's ready.
So now I'm going to start on my chicken stir fry. Yeah. The pan is getting hot. Oh, it's hot, hot, hot. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to start slicing my chicken. Remember, we are doing a Rolex, and this one has a twist. It's a chicken stir fry Rolex. So you cut up the chicken and you make sure they're in strips like that. You see? Chicken strips. Yeah, so you just cut it like that. And this gets ready so fast. Chicken, boneless chicken like this, you can get it at any supermarket, and it gets ready so fast. So it's like a quick meal to have. Yeah, quick meal to have.
When is the best time?
This, you can have it in the morning. Yeah.
Oh, like breakfast, yeah?
Yes, like breakfast. You can have it as a snack.
Love.
Rolex. Yeah.
I hope I'm making the shape right.
So now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that looks good.
This looks good, right?
Yes, it does. So I have some shredded, like cut up pieces of these are the bell peppers. Yeah, red. We have yellow, and then you have some parsley. Yeah, right there. So you just cut them up. Yeah, I'll just show you how I did them. So you just, it's like that, and then you just slice it like that. That's how you do it for the yellow and the red peppers. Then of course you cut up the parsley. Yeah? Make sure it's thinly cut.
I've never had. I think the one thing everyone loves in Uganda, I've actually not is chapati.
Yeah, Rolex.
Chapati. Even if it's not a Rolex, chapati. Ugandans love chapati.
Especially now during Christmas, there's going to be like the matoke here, binyebwa, then chapati. How to roll the chapati. And this meal is perfect. It's the holiday season. We're at home. So, I mean, experiment at home. Experiment. Get creative. Get that stuff out of the fridge and do this.
Chapati.
Oh la la! I can't wait to see. Let's see.
So this is already hot, yeah?
So you don't put oil first. You just let it heat up.
Yes. So let it first heat up. Cook on both sides before I flip it.
It explains why my chapati is